Welcome to Tips and Tricks for October 2021. This month, Brian Wagner will demonstrate how to delete a batch of documents from archive using bulk actions.
This is going to be how to delete a batch of documents instead of individual documents. We're going to start out in document archiving, and you need to set up a search. So when you set up a search, you need to select some libraries and then put in your criteria of what you're searching for. I'm going to go back to one of my saved searches. And once you do a search, you have a list of your documents that match your search criteria. You can use this button to select all documents that come up in the search results. And you're going to have an options window on the right side. When you expand that options window, you're going to need to select the bulk options. And we are going to transfer these documents to a new library. I'll just give it a name, Delete Me. And when we run that, we've now transferred those two documents out of the original library into a new library called Delete Me. So when we go into our archive admin libraries, as an admin, obviously, you are going to see a new library called Delete Me. And now we can simply delete that entire library.
If you have a suggestion for tips and tricks, please email them to danis@synergetic-data.com. For tips and tricks, thank you very much for attending. See you next month.